Okay, we're going to try a basic analytical geometry question that I think might help you in the test, in the exam coming up. So let's just try it. The first question is really straightforward because it says calculate the length of AB. And there's a 6 right there. It's on the y-axis, and there's B is 8 and 12. If you ever see that 6 on the y-axis, well, you should know that means that the point A is 0 in the x direction and 6 in the y direction. And now you just do the distance formula. You go 8 minus 0 squared plus 12 minus 6 squared. And it just looks like that. 8 squared and 6 squared, that's 64, and 36 is 100. Take the square root, and AB is 10. Okay, well that's pretty straightforward. So is the gradient. All you do to find the gradient of AB is to go 12 minus 6, the change in y, subtract the y, guys, over 8 minus 0. Just looks like that. 12 minus 6 is 6. 8 minus 0 is 8. 6 over 8 is the same as 3 over 4. So the first two are your easiest form. You're going to get something like that, so a lot like it. See, that's it. But the next question, it says determine the equation of the line. And you want it in the form y equals mx plus c. But it's this line down here. But you're told that AB is parallel to DC. Well, you go, well, we just figured out the gradient of AB is 3, 4. These two lines are parallel. What's the story again about parallel lines? Oh, their gradients are the same. So that means if AB is parallel to DC, the gradient of AB is the same as the gradient of DC. Now, if they ever say find the equation of the line, you're going to be given a formula, and it goes y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. You don't use this formula. It is y. It's called the point gradient formula. And you take a point. You could take the point D, because D is 0 and 2. And then all you do is you go y minus y1, which is 2, equals m times x minus x1, which is 0. And that's your answer. You just have to clean it up. Well, x minus 0 is easy, so it's 3/4 x. And minus 2, you should add 2 to it. Well, hang on here. We actually could have written the answer out here. Maybe it would have been faster. We know the y-intercepts too. So we could have just written 3/4 x plus 2. We didn't have to do this, but you usually do have to do this. You're not given a y-intercept, so maybe it was good we went through the whole process. Okay, well that's it. Know those things for sure, and it'll turn into lots of marks whenever we write paper 2.